Hello and very welcome to the Vilnius Yiddish Institute at Vilnius University. We are in the Vilnius Yiddish Institute's office, and here you see our library and our work desks. In the library we have several thousand books. They all are in Yiddish. As you may understand, today we don't have many Yiddish readers to come and read books in Yiddish, but we have famous and beloved librarian who is absent now, Fania Bransovsky, who is the Vilna ghetto survivor, and she works in Vilnius at Vilnius Yiddish Institute. Vilnius Yiddish Institute was established in 2001 at Vilnius University, so it's a relatively young organization. Every summer, more than 15 years, I think we have international Yiddish summer program where the students from all around the world, usually from 15 or 16 countries, come to study Yiddish in the land of Yiddish language in Vilnius. And this year, from mid-July to mid-August, we will have 16th Yiddish program in Vilnius, summer program in Yiddish. Of course, everyone is welcome to come.